Hello, I'm Kurt Schlinus. I'm the chair of the computer science department here at Regis. I'd like to welcome you to our open house. I'm going to explain a little bit about our program and walk you through our curriculum. Here at Regis, we believe that students learn by doing and learn how to program a computer by actually programming it. So we are a very hands-on curriculum. I'm now going to share my screen with you and walk you through our curriculum. The computer science program has undergone some revisions over the last year, and now it's probably more oriented towards actually programming the computer and less about applications. However, in ninth grade, we still do quite a few applications like Excel, PowerPoint, Word, in order to prepare them for some of the things that they're going to see in their other courses. We have a required year-long course in Computer Technology 1 and Computer Technology 2, and then a full-year junior elective in Java programming, which we just started this year. In the senior year, we have a senior elective in programming, or we also have some electives that are going to be coming up next year in neural nets and artificial intelligence. We also hope to run a computer science research course for some of our seniors that year. We really want our students to be actively involved in learning computer science, to be able to analyze problems, create algorithms, and really understand the nuts and bolts of how computer science is applied to other disciplines as well. In ninth grade, we have Computer Technology 1, which is required for all the freshmen. It's a 3-trimester course that covers the following topics: the history and development of computers, computer hardware, computer structure, the internet. We have them do a website of their own design. We also do a lot of spreadsheet study in Excel, okay, and how to use Excel. And we also do a little bit of PowerPoint. And we do some App Inventor, which is an introduction to programming. We're also including some programming in Python now in the 3rd trimester. And there's a basic curriculum. In 10th grade, we also have Computer Technology 2, and this is required for all sophomores. We do start off with some more spreadsheet applications, and then we get right into Python, structured programming in Python. Python is a language that all the major universities are using now, and we think it's the best language to start off in. We do some graphics in Python. We show them how to create simple games in Python. And then we have an introduction to programming in Java during the 3rd trimester, so that for those students who want to go on to our 11th grade elective in Java, they will have a little bit of Java under their belt before they dive into that course. Again, the materials are created by the department. And in 11th grade, we have a junior elective now. This is our first year of running this elective. And it basically covers the material traditionally contained in the AP Computer Science curriculum, although our students are not required to take the AP test, but if they'd like to, they can. So everything you would see in a typical introductory programming course in college is really what we're covering. And in Java, that means a lot of object-oriented program, classes, objects, abstraction, inheritance, and things like that. We also, since our kids have pretty good math background, we tend to cover arrays, also known as matrices, and searching and sorting. So it's a fairly rigorous course. And if we have time and we're back at Regis, we'll do some robotics in the spring. And then 12th grade, we have a senior elective, Introduction to Java Programming. And it is a 2-trimester course, which also covers much of what you might see in an AP course. And then we have a 3rd trimester senior elective, Introduction to Machine Learning, Neural Nets, and Robotics, which we ran last year. And we'll be expanding that program to a full year course next year. So that's kind of what we do. We also have a lot of other interesting things going on. We have a computer club, and there's 3 strands to our computer club. We have a programming strand where we go into Python in more detail and show them some of the tricks of graphics in Python, three-dimensional graphics. We have a kind of a hackers type of a club where the students are engaged in this contest. It's sponsored by the Air Force. The Air Force gives them an image of a computer that has a problem, and then they have to find what the problem is in the computer. It's great for kids who are interested in doing IT work and things like that. Regis has done very well in that contest, made it to the state several times, state finals. And then we also have a computer robotics club where the students actually build a computer, build a robot. And this robot is entered in what's called the first robotics contest. And last year we made it to the semifinals in New York State, which is the best Regis has ever done. It's a great hands-on experience for the kids. They actually build a robot that's required to do certain tasks. It's pretty sophisticated. And we're getting more robot kits. Right now we just have one, but we're going to have 3 when we get back to Regis, so that some of our younger kids can actually get started building these robots before they get to the competition level. So that's our program in a nutshell. Hopefully if you have any questions, you'll stick around and join me in the Zoom room. Thank you very much for coming to our open house, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.